Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious strawberry-flavored custard. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. You will need about 1 cup of fresh strawberries, 2 cups of whole milk, half a cup of granulated sugar, 4 large egg yolks, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Also, have a saucepan, a whisk, and a fine mesh sieve on hand. Precise measurements are key for a perfect custard. Next, prepare your strawberry puree. Hull and slice about 1 cup of fresh strawberries, then blend them until completely smooth. Strain the puree through a fine mesh sieve to remove any seeds, ensuring a silky texture. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 4 egg yolks, half a cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch until light and creamy. Gently heat 2 cups of milk in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer. Now it's time to combine everything. Slowly pour about 1/3 of the hot milk into the egg yolk mixture, whisking continuously to temper the yolks. Then, gradually add the tempered egg mixture back into the remaining hot milk in the saucepan. Cook this over medium heat, stirring constantly with a whisk until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Finally, stir in your strawberry puree. Once your strawberry custard is cooked, pour it into a clean bowl. Immediately press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the custard to prevent a skin from forming as it cools. Place the bowl in the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, until it is completely cold and set. Serve your delightful strawberry custard chilled, perhaps with a few fresh strawberry slices on top.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.